A remarkable claim suggests that scientists have found a sequence in DNA resembling sacred names of God from ancient traditions worldwide. Some believe it may hint at a universal connection in our genetic code. In Hebrew, the name YHWH is sacred, symbolizing God's eternal presence. This name represents an unchanging divine essence. In Arabic, Allah is the term for the singular, compassionate creator, connecting all existence. Some suggest that finding this name in DNA symbolically reflects a universal connection. Buddhist tradition speaks of Dharmakaya, the truth body of universal consciousness, suggesting all life forms share a unified essence. The Oromo people revere Waaq as the supreme creator present in all life. Seeing this in DNA symbolizes an intimate divine bond with nature. In Abyssinia, the name Igziabeher, Lord of the Universe, embodies compassion and unity. Imagining this name within us speaks to a shared spiritual heritage. While unproven scientifically, this claim is deeply symbolic. It resonates with a timeless belief that humanity carries a sacred essence, a divine unity, regardless of faith or background. Could this be a divine mark in our DNA? Science may not confirm it, but the symbolism reminds us of our universal connection, a powerful bond across time, culture, and belief. Credits narrator, narrator's name, writer, writer's name, producer, producer's name.